What's up guys, it's me Pharaoh14 here, back with another video, and I just cooked something on the oven for the very first time. I cooked chicken and buttered toast on the oven. And butter bread. It's not even toast. It's just butter on bread that's salty and peppery. Let me show you guys. That's it. There's the chicken that I cooked in butter and salt and pepper. And there's the bread that I cooked in also same things, salt, butter, pepper. And tell me that doesn't look good. I cooked it and making it delicious. It's one of the best food things I've done this year. Let me give it a taste test. That thing's actually good. Taste the bread. That also tastes good. That tastes like French fries. Almost. No, it tastes exactly like French fries. I made toast. Tastes like fries. I made toast fries. That's incredible. I didn't know that could happen. Oh, and guys, I hope you have a good Christmas because tomorrow is Christmas Eve. So you better go to sleep early so you can wake up to a tree full of gifts. Unless you've been naughty. If you've been naughty, you might not be expecting gifts. Yeah. I wish you a Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Peace out, guys.